This is a book, I suppose, about love. Love for a particular dog, Nigel, but also for all the dogs that I've shared my life with. There have been quite a few, and I felt enormous passion and love and friendship and companionship for each one of them. And from my earliest memories, I've shared my life with dogs. Of course, Nigel is special. He does inspire intense passion even. He's bombarded with letters and cards and presents, and he quietly just plods along, accepts it all. And this is his garden, and that's the other love story, really. I've made this garden over the last quarter of a century, and over the last 8 years, Nigel has shared it. And every day, he's been out there with me as it's changed and grown and become what it always is, which is surprising and yet somehow fulfilling and reassuring. And he's become a key part of my life. So, the story of Nigel, but also the story of gardening, life, and love.